All right, are you ready? What is science? Let's find out. Let's talk about it. Well, first of all, science is a body of knowledge. What does that mean? Well, science is a collection of facts and information. So you might know the density, you might know information about elements, you might know information about space. It's a collection of all those facts and information. So part of science is that it's a body of knowledge. But what else is science? Well, science is a process. What does this mean? Well, science is about discovery through inquiry, right? The scientific method. Although remember, it's not a straight line process as people once believed it to be. But testable hypotheses and carefully designed experiments guide our understanding of the natural world. Science is exciting. What does this mean? Well, scientists are often motivated by figuring out something new, finding out something that no one else has found out before. We learn how things work today. Science is useful. How? What does this mean? Well, science can help develop new technologies and solve problems. Science can help treat diseases and develop cures and vaccines. That is useful. What else? Science is ongoing. What does this mean? Well, science is literally never finished. We don't have all the answers ever. Our knowledge of the universe and how things work is continually refined and expanded. Science is global. What does this mean? Science connects people around the world. People all over the world participate in science and even work together to solve big problems. What are the types of science? Well, let's talk about it. Let's find out. Okay, so types of science as a broad category. We have natural science, so it would be life or biological science. So anatomy, so biology, botany, okay, the study of living organisms. Natural science also includes physical science, so physics, chemistry, space science, earth science. It's the study of the material universe. And then we have the category of social science. What does that mean? Things like anthropology, psychology, human geography, sociology. It's a study of society and people. Then we have the category of formal science, so logic, mathematics, statistics, computer science, and these sciences use formal systems to generate knowledge. And then our last category would be applied science, like engineering, robotics, agriculture, medicine. So these sciences use scientific knowledge to develop new applications. Okay, so applying science knowledge to new useful situations. Okay, what are the two categories of natural science? Do you remember? Was life science, biological science, and physical science. So why is science a process? Well, scientists use and design experiments to test hypotheses. They may refine a hypothesis, alter it, reject it, expand it, depending on how the experiment progresses. But it is an ever increasing body of knowledge. And part of it is presenting your findings. So really what this means is science is never finished, literally. Okay, we can't have all the answers. We can have all the answers based on our current research, our current experimentation, our current understanding, but it will change as we get new information. So what is science? Hopefully now you know a little bit more. All right, I hope you learned something new today.